for the sectionals that's just concluded in Pune today. Uh, Thank you to Rohit and Shubham and the supporting cast who've held a beautiful tournament today. We had 7 teams participating um, with 2 groups. We had 7 teams participating from 2 groups, with Flying Spirits coming first in their group and qualifying for the finals, and Storm Chasers with a great match against Dispositive, again managing to qualify for the finals by the virtue of finishing top in their group. And we had a finals which was a very sort of deserving finals. We had a great match between the Storm Chasers and the Flying Spirits. Um, Dispositive and the West Coast Rascals competed for the third and fourth place, and the Dispositive team put up a splendid performance to best the Rascals 12-10 and finished third. We are getting the teams together here at the closing ceremony. Right, welcome you back to the closing ceremony. We have with us Terry Phelan, footballing legend from England, and face very familiar to the Indian audiences as we've seen him at the Champs League. So we have with us Terry Phelan, football legend from England, and a face very familiar to us. And we'd like to thank him for taking time out and coming for this. We had a great tournament today. Thank you to Shubham, Rohit, and the supporting cast who've put on a great tournament today. We had 7 teams participating, with the finals being held between the Flying Spirits from Pune and the Storm Chasers from Bombay. And it was a fantastic finals match, certainly befitting the finals, as the Flying Spirits managed to scrape through and get the victory. So can we please call upon first the Storm Chasers team to receive the runners-up award. Right, Terry hands the trophy over to Paul from the Flying Spirits. And we have the rest of the, from the Storm Chasers, and we have the rest of the Storm Chasers lining up for a picture with Terry Phelan. Give me the cup. Go take a picture. Right. Storm Chasers put up a splendid performance, a great fight. For the first half, they were nearly tied, I think, and Flying Spirits just turned it up a notch to take it away in the second half. But a great fight by Storm Chasers. Great performances in the group stages as well. A very hard-fought victory over Dispositive to make their way into the finals. Thank you, Storm Chasers, for a great tournament, great performance. Can we now call upon the Flying Spirits team? Yeah, I didn't have a sip, I swear. Can we please call upon the Flying Spirits to receive the trophy from Terry? Flying Spirits! Let's go. Very hard-fought victory over the Storm Chasers to bag this trophy, the winner's trophy for today. Winners of the sectionals 2024-2025 season. Flying Spirits, I think, been coached and by Tuhin, captained by Kushi, and let's go as we have the winners of the 2024 sectionals, and that's the Flying Spirits. Deserving victory, guys. The organizing committee will be handing over a disc to Terry Phelan as a token of appreciation. Once these pictures are done, right? Okay. Now we'll be giving a token of appreciation to Terry. इनको भी सुनना है. Okay. As a token of appreciation, we have Shubham and Rohit from the Dispositive team handing over a disc to Terry Phelan. And we hope that Terry will be joining in for some frisbee sometime soon. Right. Thank you, Terry. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Rohit, for a great tournament. And that's all from here. We'll be signing off now. Thank you, everybody.